It's your girl Bree and I'm back at it with another video today. This is the cheap wig that I bought. In my last video, I do apologize, I did not put in the video what the wig looked like. So this is exactly what it looks like right here, so nobody has to ask. So this is a sister wig. It is 1B crimped. They do have other colors, but again, I chose 1B because I wanted to go natural. Yes, so let's get started. By the way, this is not sponsored at all. All right, that is it. You guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to press that like button so I know you guys loved it. Once again, I just want to say thank you for the love and support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.